Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. I am Ajit Mahuli, the founder and mentor at LPAT. Let's see what the indices are doing and are likely to do in the coming week. So as expected, Nifty has moved out from our area of demand zone on the daily and smaller time frames. Let's see where it is likely to go to. Let me remove everything. On the monthly, January month is ending, probably another 2 days of price action, more of indecision candle. The next area of demand zone on the monthly is all the way here at around 20,500 and below. The trend is strong and up. We'll have to wait for more confirmation to go on the short side. On the weekly chart, that's what we see. Prices are moving up. There are no supply zones on the weekly and monthly, and there is a good chance that prices could go all the way to 22,000. Remember, this week is going to be an eventful week. We're going to have the Fed meet on Tuesday, Wednesday, the outcome of which is going to come. Is going to affect our markets on Thursday, and Thursday we also have the budget day. So be cautious. The trend is bullish. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you can still go to on the long side on any pullback till let's say 21,900, 22,000. So price moving up nicely on the start of the month. Pretty good day if you were long. On the daily, again, that's the area from where prices are moving. This is the demand zone. That's the daily demand zone. That's the area inside this where there was 7,500 demand zone from where we moved up. Excellent move aided by Reliance. That's the minimum area, 850, where it is likely to go. And if it closes above 850, then we could see prices moving towards this area of supply zone. When it reaches there, we should wait for confirmation to go short because Bank Nifty is yet to move really up. And if that happens, Nifty could give a new high. It could be just a little more like a decoy, go up and then come down and close below these areas by the end of the week. So the bias is long. That's a new demand area, though there is no achievement on the daily chart, but that's a good area of demand zone. If let's say we have a pullback, can go long, but that pullback has to happen tomorrow. Be cautious and stay away from any aggressive trades beyond Wednesday, since we only see the effect on the markets. On the smaller time frame, and on the daily, the supply is all the way here. So that's the area that the prices are likely to range this week. Daily supply zone. That's a range that we can look at an immediate. So if you're long here, 850 will be a good area to book profits and not expect a new high when there are events, even though it might give, but either hedge it or start booking partially. Strong move today, nothing there to stop it, and it has moved up. So in fact, tomorrow also it is likely to move towards 864 and can possibly move towards 22,000 if Bank Nifty starts moving up. That's a 75-minute chart. So now there are no demand zones all the way till here. So there is a good chance prices might just continue moving up here. And in this area where we look at confirmation shorts, we could see a decoy or a spike here. Do not short in this area till we get a decoy, since we have events. And any pullback on smaller time frame, let's say on a 15 or a 25-minute chart, you can look at going long at, let's say, for intraday tomorrow and day after tomorrow at around 570 to 600. But pretty far away. Bias is bullish. Avoid shorts till we reach the supply zone and get some confirmation. And remember, eventful week, so index trading can be avoided if you're not in any index trade. Along with this, a surprising package is India VIX. It's moving up nicely. If you see on the monthly and the weekly, it's moving up from demand zone, and good chance that it might break and go all the way to 18. Today also, along with the markets, VIX has gone up, so that's a point to be noted, and be cautious. Unless and until tomorrow market moves and big starts coming, you won't see the momentum being maintained. So be cautious. A breach of this can take the wicks here, and then markets can see a sudden fall or a sharp fall. So trade with stop losses. Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has also moved up from our daily demand zone. If you see, that is the demand zone that we had discussed in the last market pulse. Now let me remove everything. So price retraced back. So entire month's price retraced back, and we are moving from the low of last month's candle, that is December's candle. The trend is still to the upside, no supply zone. On the weekly again, there is no supply zone, but we do have a picture of supply. So this is the area where Bank Nifty can potentially move to. And if Bank Nifty moves to this area, Nifty could easily move beyond 21,900 or even 22,000. So we'll have to wait and watch and see how Bank Nifty reacts to these areas. That was the area of demand zone on the weekly from where prices are moving up. On the daily chart, that's the area of demand zone from where we are moving. Pretty good move today with the gap up. And there is nothing to stop the price. So price will at least move towards this area first. That's about 46,500 to 46,600, and that can potentially happen tomorrow as well if we gap up and global clues provide support to the markets. We will probably gap up and move all the way here. So do not short Bank Nifty. We are low on the curve. Shorting only will be at these areas. And if everything is gung-ho, we could see Bank Nifty moving towards this gap area as well, which means Nifty will move into the daily supply near 22,100. So bullish bias, more inclined towards good RR in the Bank Nifty than Nifty. And on the 75-minute chart, that's a bullish sign. So nothing to stop it to go to 46,600. So do not short here. If you're long, continue holding it till this point. That's the first target. Second target could be somewhere close to 47,000. All right. HDFC Bank and SBI looks good. So that's why Bank Nifty has bigger room to move up and a better reward to risk ratio. On confirmation, you can go longs, or if any pullback seen after a gap up, you can again go long in the Bank Nifty index as well, or you can be stock specific in Bank Nifty. Hope that helps to plan your trade this week. And remember, Thursday we have budget and the reaction to Fed meet. So be cautious. A lot of large cap results also coming. So don't get too aggressive because markets are moving up and have the FOMO feeling. The entry for indices long is gone. Bank Nifty, you can still get an entry if we come back, but again, it's a 3-day trade. I would advise all of you to stay away from the indices or get out of the indices positions on by end of Wednesday.